We had one of these for about 1.5 years. It's an artificial fish tank, and one of our cats fell in love with it and would watch it for hours. We probably shouldn't have run it 24/7, 365, but we did. And about a month or so ago, it started to make some chattering noises, and the fluid motion of the animated fish just kind of got shaky. The incoming line was, not only were the wires not even terminated properly, they weren't soldered, they were barely twisted, folded over. A piece of heat shrink tubing slid over, and that's it. Of the 3 connections that were directly involved with the mains wiring, one of the pieces of heat shrink tubing had fell off. It was just laying in the bottom of the case. Now this thing is not metal, it's all plastic. So really not a risk that you're going to be in contact with that. But the other issue, aside from the heat shrink not even being shrunk down, there was no cable strain relief where the cable came in through the bottom of the box. It was free to push in or pull out. Oh, sweet. This one came pre-broken. After I got done with the last one, I saved this shell. I'm really glad I did. Get into it. Oh. That might have just broke off when I lifted this, but I think I can fix that. Get the video footage out of the way. They've made an attempt at some safety precautions because they've tied a knot in the cord inside of the enclosure. The other one didn't have that at all. Yeah. Let's just go full on destructo here. Ah, they got creative. No internal fusing, or external for that matter. Straight into the switch, straight to the motor, straight to the board for the LED driver. I'm going to guess there's probably not a fuse on this thing either. No. No, there's no fusing. Not at all. The original unit. Yeah, and this one wasn't very good. I think the other one looked better than that. So what do we got to work with? Well, yeah, this is how this one came. Nothing in here to retain that. The motor on the other one was completely shot. I've got a picture of that too if I haven't shown that. All of the plastic inside of it that protected the windings was completely disintegrated. I guess long-term use was not in the design plan. There we go. We're going to go with a 1 amp fuse. I guess I'm going to have to move the motor over so we can get the screws out. Let's see here. I'm going to stay with the cable relief that's put into service here. Yeah, see, they've got a place right here for a tie down. I'm going to use this high-tech strain relief. Something don't sound too happy. before I do that, I should apply fuse. 1 amp fuse is now here. They had one screw holding this in. That's, you know, yeah, just what you want. Okay, so actually, they're running about 20 volts. If you can hear that and get my oh, like butter. Tad of the super lube. Just have to kind of lay that in there. Little dab in here. Little dab in here. Let's run it for a minute. And we're good. Now the top will slide down over top. And we'll draw everything into place very carefully. This hole, these are too close together. Sorry, I don't have this centered very good. Yeah. If you look, if I set this one here on top of the drive side, try to center this so you can see how far off this is. So let's see now. Seam's going around. I thought it was the seam, which no doubt the seam was giving it a little bit of a hard time. I'll wipe a little bit of that extra lubricant off of there. My cat's gonna love it. Put the top back on. There it is. The new, improved, slightly crude. We've got our fake aquarium back. Thanks for watching. Maybe we'll do another one soon.